as I'm watching Hellboy on Netflix, I do, which it's badass. And I look at him, and he's a shaman. That's what I see a shaman as. Someone like this dude. Okay, but check this out. I record myself thoughts and processes I invent and so on. So my crystals to make a sword. The lightsaber is a time crystal from the quantum realm. Think of that time crystal. You use the power of the neutron star and a black hole. With Uru being able to bond Uru is how to create together with the black hole and the neutron star at the microscope. Man, it fell to Earth. Let's see. He did a fusion thing, you know. Man that fell to Earth. Now, I know the recipe. I will give you this recipe how to create cold fusion. I've been studying electronical stuff my whole entire life, and I can put things together in my head. I can build technology in my head. Not technology, but power. All right. I've been doing this a very long time, and I am fucking unique. Check this out. This shit is about a dude, Faraday, that builds a fusion device, electricity through the air. Nikola Tesla, and so on. No. This is what I'm talking about. Crystals to make a sword. The lightsaber is a time crystal from the quantum realm. Think of that time crystal. You use the power of the neutron star and a black hole. With Uru being able to accelerator and bond Uru together with the black hole. It's already been done. It's called the God neutron star. Discovered 2012. Neutron star micro size. It's chemical process level. Like it is micro size level. And Uru is on Saturn. Saturn is made up of liquid diamond. So you take Saturn, building the structure. Go to Saturn. Uru's there on the surface. The core is mostly Uru. We need this shit. And it's probably here close by. We're there. NASA's there. They've been there a long time. That's where the Death Star from Star Wars came in. It's the moon of Saturn. But Uru is there. It's Thor's hammer is Uru. No. It's liquid diamonds. That's what the lakes are on Saturn. Liquid diamonds. Liquid diamonds. And Uru is a concentrated form of something that's old. You know, we're in the largest galaxy, so we're in the oldest galaxy. Yeah, we're the second largest galaxy, I think. So, yeah, we are 100%. I don't know why I said I think, but yeah, I'm trying to make these myself and be more personal. But as I'm saying, usually it bonds with the God. See, we don't have a way to stabilize the God particle. They got to use pure power, and it's 8 miles of a magnetic coil. The motherfucker's huge. A lot of power. I'd say you wouldn't fucking understand. Anyways, I tried to explain that part, but you can only go so far telling people things like this. Oh, okay. The creating the tools are there. Every tool needed is already out there right now. It exists. We can have this done and have free power. Clean, but not only just power, but it controls time. It holds time in a variable where the event horizon is made. You will have to have a level of that controlled into it. With it being gravity, it's a fine-tuned to itself. The energy, mass, and relativity. That's what that means. And you can use it to burn a spot into a area wherever the hell you are, and with the vibrations, you cut a whole portal. The other thing is saying fold in space. That's fucking stupid. You can't fold and bend it over like that. No, you will go to another reality, right? Another multiverse, but you can't do the other dumb shit unless it's there. And even then, it's another reality. That's what all these beings are for in this system. This is a very old system, older than you understand. I mean, one largest that we can see in the observable universe, by the way. It's infinite, so therefore it's older than a number. 14, 16 billion, that's dumb. There you can see star systems 32 billion light years away. They're red systems. It's 32 billion light years away. So that's double of what you're saying. So quit fucking bullshitting people. That's why I'm speaking up. Put this shit together. The tools are there. It's fusion, and it controls itself. You have 3D sound waves that we make now with, you see the black flat plastic things with the white rice or salt, and different sound vibrations show different shapes. Like the Hindu have many katra for it. These are all tools throughout the world of these religions. That's why I chose the shaman path. Is because it's the religions that are actually guides that, if you just pay attention and educate yourself to a high fucking level, it's wondrous. And I'm putting more of myself into it, so I'm asking you. This is big stuff for me, because the things I have are like, I'm giving what I like. I changed everything I've ever done on this. You've seen it one way or another, but now I'm going to give you what I like, and shit like this. I've designed it. I got friends for it. I'll put it out there. You support and going in progress, and I see it's doing good. You have to uplift, and when you got something like this, you feel, just like you, part of this world, a normal person. Downtown Cleveland, Ohio area. That's what it is. I'm being open. I'm gonna be myself. That's what I'm gonna give you. I'm on a path right now. I'm trying to do something big, and I'm taking these steps. I will get more personal. A biography of my life. So it's my life, and it's important to say, you're gonna get it. I try to learn to teach and be this guy. So, yeah. Don't know what else to say. Let me see. I go over it, we'll play it, I'll skim through it. I want to say a couple of things. That's it. Say goodbye. But, yeah, I won't play it now. On together, because black hole controls time. Stop it if you look at them. There's a power ratio to where it can cut through anything, because
this is how you make a lightsaber.
It can mimic time. And mimicking time, controlling it into a specific shape like a sword,
lightsaber,
work better than a lightsaber. For real. You got a controlled space, and the Uru will make a shape like a. You will have a diamond. The movies or the TV shows, the rings, rings of power. This is exactly what that is. This is a ring of power, and all the ingredients exist. The whole recipe. I'm giving you the tools and the direction to go in. Cold fusion, free power. It will power a device. You put it in you can have a regular motor on a car and put on a box like your transformers hang on the poles. Just seriously put it close to it, and it'll stay on. And you control the power. relays for that in the car already. Oh, you could probably put it where the battery thing goes, and that's it. You have to have a force of battery maybe with it to start it. No, we'll go together. That's the thing. It's there. We just gotta fucking do it. Alright. I learned this shit because of this. I'm showing you how and why and when and where. I hope nothing else. I'm just gonna go for it. See, the movie The Dead Boy Detectives? That chick? Her hair. See. Has that same thing in it. You know, this is a creation code, but it's also an enigma code that I've been studying for several years. And the shit I've learned because of this, because I see it, I read. I see it, I take a picture, I read, I write everything down. I've documented every moment of my life for several years, and it's only been this. So that's what I got. A very long. See, I've been doing this since first computer class, 5th grade. My mother was a computer teacher, so I learned a little, very little. But as I got older, yeah, it kept growing. So I got an earlier start than most people. Pre-internet, you know, I'm that one. So that's it, and been on it since. So I like memorized it and seen the waves, and this is it. We're giving you some shit that's informative, creative, and crazy as hell. I think that ends it well.